In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment on the Outlook calendar. We'll do this right in your web browser using Outlook on the web, so start by opening your browser and searching for Outlook. From the results, choose the official Microsoft Outlook site. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account so you can access your email and calendar from anywhere. It's a good idea to bookmark the page for quick access next time. Once Outlook opens, look to the left side panel for the calendar icon. It usually sits alongside Mail and other apps. Click Calendar to switch from your inbox to your schedule view. You can stay in whatever view you prefer, day, work week, or month. The process is the same. Now find the New Event button near the top left of the calendar. Click that to open the event creator. If you see choices after clicking, select Event. This ensures you're creating a standard calendar entry that can stand on its own or include other people. At the top, give your appointment a clear, descriptive title. Think of it like a label you'll recognize at a glance later. Just below, there's a field to add people. Enter the email addresses of anyone who should be included in the appointment so they can see it on their calendars and receive reminders. If you're keeping this strictly personal, you can leave this blank. Next, set the start and end date and time. Use the drop-downs or the date picker to choose when the appointment begins and how long it should last. Take a moment to confirm the time zone is what you expect, especially if you're traveling or coordinating across regions. If your appointment spans multiple days or needs a specific duration, adjust those fields accordingly. You can also add a location, type the meeting place or address so everyone knows exactly where to go. Keeping the location consistent and specific helps avoid last-minute confusion. Finally, use the notes or description area to capture important details. This is a great place for an agenda, preparation steps, special requests, or anything your client or contact needs to know in advance. Clear notes reduce follow-up emails and make the appointment more productive. And that's it. You've selected the calendar, started a new event, named it, added attendees if needed, set the date and time, included the location, and filled in helpful notes. With these essentials in place, your Outlook appointment is set up cleanly and clearly, ready to keep you and anyone you've included on the same page.